Hi, in front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then hit this plus icon at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, select Audio section. Now pick one of those options. After tapping on ringtone, you need to click on one of those melodies and add the best one by hitting OK. If you wish to select Audio section instead, click on it. Tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources. Then, to attach your file, click on it. To add a video one, just click on Videos right next to Audio. Select the same three lines at the top left corner. And after locating your video, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!